Right. Let me explain the question from the beginning. The opening balance of the cash book 41,000. Okay. Then the second point says that we have settled Hemali's account value 30,000 subjected to a 10% discount. Therefore, the received discount is 3,000. Amount paid in cash is 27,000. Okay, record it like that way. Now, on the same date, we have to update Hemali's account. Okay, so I'm going to update Hemali's account. Hemali's account. Now listen to me, that Hemali is a creditor. Now get used to these terms, okay? It's a creditor. We have settled Hemali's account. The date on Puta, the date is on 5th of July. 5th of July. Discounts received 3,000. On the same day, we have paid 27,000 in cash. Okay. Lassanta karanna puta. What you have to understand, every single transaction has a debit and a corresponding credit entry. Remember that. Okay, great. Let's move to the next transaction. Transaction number 2. The date is puta 9th of July. Receipt number 456. It's a receipt. It's a receipt of cash. 9th of July. Receipt number 456. We have received the account of 40,000 value 40,000 of Jayashant, subjected to a 5% discount. Look at this description. Jayashant. Puta, let me explain it from the beginning, right? Using the whiteboard now. Look at this one, Pute. Look at this, right? Puta, balance of Jayashanta's account. Jayashanta's account is rupees 40,000. Let's remove this one. 40 can put rupees 40,000. Is that correct? Yes. Puta, at the time of the collection, we have allowed a discount, right? Discount at 5%. I think you have done all these things, huh? Right? Multiplication with the ratios, right? Percentages. Puta, 5% of 4,000 is 2,000. It is 2,000. So the allowed discount is 2,000. That means at the time we collect Jayashanta's account valued 40,000, the business has allowed a discount of 2,000. Therefore, cash received is just 38,000 rupees. 38,000. Okay, it is 38,000. Discounts allowed 2, cash received 38, right? Because this time they have given you the balance of Jayashanta's account. Let's record it now. Let's record it. Puta, I'm recording it like this way. Discounts allowed 2,000. Amount received 38,000. Make the corrections if you have any. And Puta, at the same time, I have to update Jayashanta's account. And remember, Jayashanta is a debtor. The date is 9th of July. 9th of July. We have allowed a discount. Discounts allowed 2,000 rupees. On the same day, Puta, hondata balan inna. We have collected, right, 38,000 in cash from Jayashant. See how simple and clear this particular right question is. Okay, great. Let's move to the next one. 11th of July, it's a cash sale, it's a receipt, right? 11th of July, 457, right? Sales amount is 23,000. Cash book debit. Amir, hondata balan inna puta. Cash book debit. And on the same day, open an account for sales. Sales account. And the date is puta 11th of July. Cash amount is 23,000. Lamai, another thing, right? Another one, right? So in exams, most of the time, listen to me, you won't get all these things to prepare. Cash book and all the ledger accounts, right? Then if if that is the question, Puta, you won't get, right? Maximum you are going to get only 5 transactions, right? Pute, listen to me very, very carefully. If the question doesn't want you to prepare the other relevant ledger accounts, avoid preparing them. If the question says to calculate or to prepare the cash book only, do not prepare any of these ledger accounts because the marks or the time is not allocated for this particular requirement. Read the question and answer, right? Don't do that everything that you know previously in exams, right? There is no point. Just answer the question. දීලා තියෙන question එකට උත්තර ලියන්න. පැහැදිලි? Right. පුතා, let's move to the next one. අපි ළඟකට යනවා. Then we have a cash purchase. Cash purchase, right? It's a payment, no? නේද? 15th July, 237 is the voucher number. Purchases. 38,000. 38,000. Right? It is 38,000. Cash book should be credited and you can debit the purchases account. Purchases account is an expense account. On 15th July, Puta, you can debit the purchases account 38,000. 38,000. Purchases account 38,000. Okay, good. Again, we have a receipt. There is a receipt. Debit the cash book. The date is 18th July. 458 is the receipt number. Right? Adisha, Oshani, Amir, Dinel, right? Dinet, Dishans, Duniti, Janidu, Netmi, Onitha, Resen, Sanuka, Shenuk, and Vibu. Honda Tahaginina, today is the last day where we discussed the cash book in the theory class, right? Cash book with discount columns. Please do not have any doubts regarding this point. That is how you can develop your knowledge. Huh? Are we clear? Right. So the receipt number is put 458. It is commissions received. You're right. Commissions received. Amount of the received commission is 12,000. Cash book should be debited. Why? It's an increase in asset. You receive the cash. At the same time, Puta, don't forget to credit the commissions received account, which is an income. Open the next account for commissions received. Commissions received. Puta, the date is 18th of July. It's an income. Income increase is a credit, right? Description cash. Okay. Amount is 12,000. Received commissions 12,000. 12,000. Okay, Puta. Good. Okay. Then the next date is 22nd of July. It's a payment. We have paid salaries. Credit the cash book. The date is 22nd of July. 238 is the voucher number. Salaries, amount 15,000. Amount is 15,000. Okay, amount is 15,000. Cash book credit 15. And this is the salaries account, which is an expense, right? The date is Puta 22nd of July, right? Cash amount is Puta 15,000. Salaries account debit and cash credit, cash book credit. Okay, Puta? Good. The next transaction is a receipt. The date 25th of July, 459 receipt number. Look at this one. Make a balana Puta. Received 33,000 from Amalka. Now this 33,000 is the cash receipt. Please observe. If you like, you can highlight it. Please observe the two different ways where I have given, right, the collections from trade receivables. First one is 9th of July, and the next is 25th of July. Read it very carefully. On 9th, I said, received the account valued 40,000 of Jayashant. So 40,000 is the balance of Jayashanta's account. And the transaction on 25th, received 33,000 from Amalka. We have received 33,000 from Amalka. So that is a cash collection. It is not the value of Amalka's personal account. The cash collection is 33, allowed discount is 7. So try to understand the cash collections or payments can be provided in two different ways. Sometimes in the question, it can give you the value of the cash collection. Sometimes it can provide, right? Sometimes it can provide, right, the value of the right account collected. Is that clear to you? Puta, I'm taking you to the answers format again. Right? Look at this one. On 25th, we have collected, right, cash from Amalka, allowed discount 7, right? Allowed discount 7, amount collected is 33. Chuti prashnayak kahannada. What is the value of Amalka's account that has been collected? What is the value of Amalka's account that has been collected? Anyone in the class? What is the value of the account that has been collected? Anyone in the class? Don't know. Puta, it is 40,000. 40,000 has been collected like this. We have collected 33,000 in cash and allowed discount 7. So balance of Amalka's account is 40,000. Are we clear? Good. Now I am going to prepare Amalka's account. Amalka's account, where Amalka is a debtor. We have collected, the date is put 25th, okay, 25th of July, right? Discount allowed is 7,000, And on the same day, 25th of July, we have collected 33,000 in cash. Are we clear? Okay, 33,000 in cash. This is how you prepare or complete Amalka's. Total settlement to Amalka is 40,000. 40,000. Right. The last transaction, let's see what is it. Again, Puta, we have paid a trade payable. But please observe how I have provided the transaction. The voucher number is 239. 39. Okay. We have paid Nishad. Nishad, look at this. Paid 28,000 to Nishad. Paid 28. Received discount to. Discounts received to. Payment is 28. Total settlement to Nishad is 30,000. Now what we have to do? Update the personal account of Nishad. Nishada's account. Right? I forgot to tell you that Amalka is a debtor and where Nishada is a creditor. So the settlement date is 29th of July. Discounts received 2,000. 29th of July. Cash 28,000. 28,000. Okay. So we have just completed the cash book and the required ledger accounts. Sanuka, don't write the short forms because this is the first time that you prepare the cash book. So write it. Right? Samanne, you have to leave sufficient space for the description. Don't write short forms in O levels, but in A levels that would be fine. But in O levels, you have to write it clearly. Right? So please make it a point, right? Good. Now, I'm going to take the addition of the discounts allowed. Right? Total allowed discount 9,000. Total received discount 5,000. I told you, right, that the total of the discounts allowed has to be debited to the discounts allowed account. I open a new account. And that is discounts allowed account, which is an expense. But please make sure the transfer is made at the end of the end of the month, 31st of July. 31st of July. Right? And the description is debtors because we have all the discounts allowed to debtors. And the total allowed discount is 9,000 rupees. Puta, always remember the discounts allowed account is debited at the end of the month. The total. Check your answers, please. And what is left now? To record the value of the received discount. 5,000. Pute, I told you, we do not balance the discount columns. They are just memorandum columns. We don't balance it. The purpose of these two columns to recognize the allowed discounts at the collections from debtors and paid or received discount at the settlement to trade payables. Lamai, as usual, please go through this recording any times you like. Harda, take the advantage. Pute, now I'm going to prepare the last account of the question, that is received discount. Discounts received. The date is 31st of July. Creditors Amount is 5,000 rupees. So this account shows that as at 31st of July, we have received 5,000 discount from creditors. Do you understand? So the next week, we are starting another beautiful lesson. Practical lessons, right? Petty cash book. Still, right, the businesses using the petty cash book to, right, record their small payments of cash. Right, some businesses, bookshops, right? Still we have ledger books. Bookshop ledger books 2 column, right? Some are 3 column ledger books, right? But they are not usually used practically, right, at present by most of the businesses. We are using right software, but still some businesses record the transactions manually. Still they are doing it. Okay, great. So this is the end of activity number 14. Now we are moving to the next one, activity number 15. In fact, the last question, right, for the cash book. Right? Dishans, have you done this, Puta? Duniti, karada pati make. Have you done it? Dinel, Amir? Yeah. What is the, sorry, I forgot to calculate the BCD. Ne? Sorry, Pute. BCD ko BCD ko balam Puta. The total of the debit side is 147,000. 147,000. Thank you, Amir. Thank you very much, Pute. 147,000 is the right addition. As at 31st of 31st of July, BCD is 147 minus 108. It is, sorry, 39,000. It is 39,000 rupees. Balance carried down 39. Right? So the correct BCD is 39,000 cash book. Highly appreciate your hard work. So let's move to the last question of the cash book with discount columns. 15. Okay, good. Pute, the transactions of Keshava's business, right? Let's start. Pute, 1st of May, balance brought forward in the cash book is 36,000. Balance brought forward of the cash book, 36. Okay, Puta. 3rd of May, we have received cash from Udayanga to settle his account, 36,000. Allowed discount 6. Date is 3rd of May. Receipt number 258. Okay. Udayanga. Right. Allowed discount 6,000. Right. Pute, the balance of Udayanga's account is 36. 36. Right. And we have at the point of the collection, we have allowed discount at 6,000. Therefore, cash collection is 30,000. Okay, good. Then 8th of May, it is, sorry, at the same time, Puta, update Udayanga's personal account. Name the first account as Udayanga. Udayanga's account. Udayanga is a debtor Get used to these terms. We have collected Udyanka. How? Puta, mega balagan. 3rd of May, we have allowed a discount. Discounts allowed. 6,000. On the same day, we have collected cash worth 30,000. This is how you record Udyanga's collection of Udyanga. Total collection is 36,000. Right? 36. Pute, the next one, 8th of May, paid cash to settle account of Dharma valued 42, received discount 2,000. It's a payment, no? In the cash book, the payments are credited. The date is 8th of May. 8th of May. Voucher number 360. Right? We have settled Dharma's account. Dharma's account. Received discount 2,000. Right? Puta, the account of Dharma is 42. At the time of the settlement of this value, we have received a discount of 2,000. Therefore, amount paid in cash is 40. 40. Okay, Puta? Good. And then, right, you have to prepare the personal account of Dharma. Dharma's account. And remember that Dharma is a creditor. Creditor. We have settled Dharma's account. The date is 8th of May. 8th of May, right? Discounts received. Puta, discounts received 2,000. On the same day, we have paid cash. How much? 40,000, just 40,000. That is how we have settled Dharma's account worth 42. Okay, children. Great. Make the corrections. Puta, I told you the theory class is very simple because I'm providing all the required formats, but please make sure that you practice all these formats. The reason is, Puta, because when the exams are closer, you have just to take out, write the tutorials. I think you are collecting the tutorials, lesson wise, as I told you in the beginning of the class. I want you to file them correctly. Cardboard file lesson wise, session wise, collect. Now this has to be your 8th file because it's the 8th competency, right? Collect them because I see that some of you are right collecting those files correct and they are sending me the right photos, right, of the tutorial collections. Perfect. You're going to get the benefits later. Trust me. Right. So the next one, it's a cash purchases, 33,000. It's a payment, right? Payment. 12th of May, 361 is the voucher number. Put a description, purchases, amount 33,000. Okay, 33,000. Puta. Now we have to open the next account that is for purchases. Purchase is an expense account. On 12th May, we have purchased goods on cash worth 33,000. Purchases account debit. 33. Okay, Puta. Great. And the next is, right? Next is 17th of May. 17th of May, 259 is the receipt number. Sales, 29,000. 29,000. Cash book debit and credit the sales account. Prepare an account for sales. Lamai, sales is an income. Credit the income account. 17th of May. Cash. Right? Cash. 29,000. Shanuk, Sanuka, I think you are listening very, very carefully. Let me හොඳට අහන් ඉන්න පුතා. හැමෝටම තේරෙනවා. Huh? Right. Sales credit, cash book debit. පුතේ, look at the next question very carefully. හොඳට බලන්න මෙතන මොකක්ද වෙලා තින්නේ කියලා. Keshava invested cash and office equipment valued 30,000 and 50,000 as additional capital. Okay. Keshava has invested cash 30,000 and additional capital 50,000. Okay. My question is, in the cash book, how much we have to record? How much we have to record in the cash book? In the cash book, I have to record only 30,000. Because this 50,000 is not cash. It is office equipment. Okay. Look what I'm going to do. Right. Right. It's a cash receipt anyway. The date is puta 19th May. 19th May. Receipt number 260. Description capital. Puta, in cash, we have introduced only 30,000. Cash book debit 30. Cash book debit 30. Right? And credit the capital account. Open an account for capital. Capital account. Name the next account as capital. On 19th May, the owner has introduced cash worth 30,000. Now we have just recorded it. What is the double entry? Cash book debit, capital credit. Not only that, on the same day, the owner has invested office equipment. So to open an account for office equipment too, but there is no connection to cash. But listen to me, don't ever think that the owner has to invest capital always in cash. No. The owner can invest capital in, right, the form of office equipment, any other asset. Puta, on the same day, 19th of May, the owner has introduced office equipment as capital and the value is 50,000. The double entry. Office equipment account debit. Capital account credit. Okay, capital account credit. 50,000. Total capital introduced is 80,000. 80,000. Okay. 80,000. පැහැදිලිද? හොඳයි. හරිද පුතා? Right. And the next is 20th of May, we have paid the salaries. 20th of May. 362. It is salaries. Payment is 24,000. 24,000. Cash book credit. Why? It's a payment. And open the next account for salaries. Account එක හදන්න පුතා. Salaries. Salaries account. Okay. 20th of May. Description cash. Amount is 24,000. Salaries account debit. Cash book credit. cash book credit. Puta, please highlight the next transaction. Settle the owner's personal rent of the house 10,000. Pute, if you record the description as rent, your transaction is incorrect. Because it is not the rent. Right? I told you, in accounting, we record the transactions according to the business's viewpoint. If this is the office rent of the building, you can recognize it as an expense. But what is it? It is the settlement of the owner's personal rent. Puta, we don't record, right, the owner's personal transactions, right, separately in the business. We group them into a single account. And what is it? Let's see. The date is on uttarakenava. Niyamai resen niyamai puta. Bohoma santosai. So this have we record it. 22nd of May, 363 drawings. Drawings account 10,000. Okay. Cash book credit 10,000 and open the next account, that is drawings. Drawings account. Puta, listen to me. Drawings is an equity account. Okay, drawings. Puta, we have to debit the drawings account. The date is 22nd of May. Cash amount is 10,000. Drawings, you don't write it as rent. පුතා මතක තියාගන්න ඔයා මේක මෙහෙම ලියලා මෙතන rent account කියලා දැම්මොත් ඔයාගේ උත්තරේ වැරදි. Although the value is correct, your transaction is incorrect. You won't get marks. The name of the account is drawings. That's it. Okay, great. The last transaction, that is 24th of May, it's a receipt. 24th of May, 261 received 25,000 to settle the account of Gamunu. We haven't allowed a discount to Gamunu, collected the total value 25. Open the personal account of Gamunu. Prepare personal account of Gamunu. Gamunu is a debtor. We have collected Gamunu's account on 24th of May. Description cash. Amount collected 25,000. 25. Haridapati. Right. Let's complete the cash book now. Total allowed discount 6,000. Received discount 2,000. Debit the total allowed discount to, right, discounts allowed account. Account එක හදන්න. This is discounts allowed. And debit the discounts allowed account 31st of May. Puta, debtors. What is the total? What is the total? It is 6,000. Discounts allowed account debit 6,000. Okay. And now the discounts received 2,000. 2,000. Credit. Right. තවලුත් account එකක් හදන්න. That is discounts received. Discounts received. Okay. Credit discounts received account. The date is 31st of May. Lamai. Creditors is the description. Amount is 2,000 rupees. Yes. Okay. But if the accounts are over, draw an account. Okay. draw an account on a side. Extremely sorry. Okay. If the accounts are over, prepare an account for discounts received. I think one account is not enough. Prepare the format of one account and name it as discounts received and credit it 2000, description creditors date 31st of May. Harida Patti. Harida. Good. Now, this is how you answer a question, right, which carries, right, the cash book with discount columns. Balana mathematicala format එක. Date, receipt number, description, LF, discounts allowed amount in the debit side. In the credit side, date, voucher number, description, LF, discounts received amount, that is the credit side. Let's balance of the cash book. Puta, the total 150,000. Calculate the balance carried down of the cash book. The date is 31st of May. BCD 150 minus 107. This minus 107. It is 43,000. That is the balance carried down of the cash book. If you like, make it daganna metani. 1st of June, balance brought forward 43,000. In the previous question also. In the next month, balance brought forward is 43. Please remember, right? This month's closing balance becomes the next month's opening. Previous month's closing balance becomes current month's opening. Remember those things. හරිද පැටියෝ? අපි කරපු වැඩ ටික පොඩ්ඩක් බලමුද? පහුගිය දවස් ටිකේ. මම ගා පොඩ්ඩයි තියෙන formats. This is activity number 12. මේ බලන්න. 12, 13, 14, 15. හරිද? පුතේ, ඔයාලට පේනවා අපි පන්තියේ වැඩ කරනවා. හරිද? No one can say that we are not doing right enough work. We are doing more than enough work in the class. Harida. So, but I know that most of you have get used to this system, right? Once again, as I told you in the beginning, if there are anything to be right changed in the class, enhanced in the class, please comment them. I'm ready to accept it all the time. Okay, so my wish is right to obtain to provide you with the best knowledge, right, a perfect knowledge regarding the subject, so that one day you can face the future, right, based on this particular background. Okay, then this is the end of the first part of the 8 competency cash book, and the following week we are starting the petty cash book. Okay, Puta. So I think you have understood the lesson. Once again, right, if you have any right questions, please send them to the group. I'm always ready to answer them. Okay, then that's all for today. Until we meet again on next week, stay safe. God bless you. Thank you very much, Puta. Have a good evening. God bless you, Puti.